Kongjugathai long Kara aro mai kecheng arong tin traditional village council keseng chia phan mai along kachiparai. Jurikindeng ahawar blatatum piniarnian ta mesen lapen ingthir jiralang junlong wangbelang. Hidipi St. Thomas School along inut ningkan trok ausupi ahiring tangrak arenggeso. Kardom, nili Karbi birta thanbar samidur mi bepi. Nonarjik tha birtang tonpen. Karbi anglong ronga sarasong kara kapang kang lapen kapang tangchi aphan pai ingora sirkep arni kongjuk athoy monsing lekte aronga sara hemalong kara aromai chengpon. Kara tiripi amai abang phumate monsing lekte aronga sar chipahem phupon amai along chedon sar pen babuing hi aphan mai phu kangbura terona phan kong chunbang lapen bangkre photima phan bang phu ingwaisi kara kongjuk athoy aromai sengpon mayalang panchayati raj tengnang ne puta cheparai pon. Kara Asong ke 6th schedule to the Constitution of India paragraph 3 and 4 ateng pensi keseng pon lapen Karbi aron ajutang ateng pensi kikhi ajakong lapen kangsai ajakong chehar jakchi lake Karbi anglong along kedo inglong aso tuma jakong luputa mayalong chethan chumumpon ronga saratum ajakong aputhak ronga sar dhonison lek thesi mayalong than pachini pon. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke Parlo number 9 Amreng constituency angkang Jirikindeng ben kilometer krehini cricket home anbak kahelo Chirim Thepi Rongkimi along EM Barim Elis Ingtipia Chor Karlitang Dorman Milik Amen pen Borwell kapang ni ji along Misen pen Kijun alang rat atum long lelang pusi pherangke kahumri damahut pachini don. Pinpur May kadam tang 2015 aningkan aro chikloni phai inkora PR ni pensi bangso a Borwell asai pangcheng ponlo. Sita meme sen ben kejun alang junlong wangbelang. Chitherak meme Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council dokok apita Shillong NARMG NGO atum pensi bangso arong along kejun alang mesen thikpite kanglo lapen pini arnian ta bangso NGO akerap kipi alang pensi hadak arat atum mesen alang junlong rinti luputa rat atum pen chethandun rinti. Dilai Police Station angkang hidipi along kedo St. Thomas School along inut ningkan trok ausupi ahir ingtang rakpen areng ahu kiso pusikat news channel aperang ke bokajan pen birta nang pale. Birta kalong dun atenge pai ni bhai ingkora nerkep arni kang sampor phai phopor malompen St. Thomas School boundary para inut LKG angdeng Charlie Bomb sumpho timung asupi Serjalin timung piarta ningkan trok ahem saini langso rong kimia klama phan pang thek atum ahiring tang rakpen areng ahu pasosi pai parai bidam konglo api hada kacharli dun ausamara tumpen thekdam longsi school hostel an birta pachini pen areng ahu kiso ausupia phan Dipu Civil Hospital an ponlo keso ahir kang tang rak ajak utha Dimapur Referral Hospital an ponsi non keso lang bomlo kopi kopusol sikiman lonela so alam klardak alam long pon pelang auso keso medet ansia hokpet alam chini dun po non kadu kaweta oso ki meji aphan se inghong pronglo non malom so por phan dihina pharman birta moington ponik sinang. Please step in a newly opened EduTown. A branded quality of varieties item will be available here. Kex Legacy, Mr. Rup Singh Tissot, near Difu Photo Studio, MG Road, Karbi Anglong, Difu. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center. Facilities available: list of haircut, hair treatment, hair oiling, henna, straightening, hair perming, full body spa, coloring, waxing, manicure and pedicure, party makeup. List of facial: signature facial, signature galvanic facial, signature or latest facial, gold, pearl, diamond facial, fruits facial, cleanup, normal facial, and bleach. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center, KST Road, near Aturkimi Outlet, Difu, Karbi Anglong. Banalata Chaudhary Deka 9435539500. On behalf of Asian Infotech Computer Education Center, this institution is conducting a students' career counseling meeting on the subject of IT sector under NIELIT, Government of India. All concerned parents and guardians are invited to attend the said meeting. Venue and date is as follows. For DIFU Center, venue Asian Infotech Computer Education DIFU near Central Bank of India. Dated 2nd of September 2017. Time 9 to 10 a.m., 10 to 11 a.m., 11 to 12 p.m., 12 to 1 p.m., 3 to 4 p.m., and 4 to 5 p.m. Contact number 9859039698. For Hauragat Center, venue Kirat Bhavan, dated 3rd of September 2017, time 11 a.m. onwards. Contact number 8638 723369. Opening shortly. A school for playgroup to class 4. Facilities: big and clean classroom, trained and friendly teachers, playway method, creative activities, audio-visual, aided teaching, drill, dance and origami. Child development and education. Learning process with parents as partner. St. Anthony's English School, Lower Dilaji, Birla, DIFU 782460, Karbi Anglong. Contact 9859609475, 7002770 959, 9957607 Email santanthonyschool@yahoo.com.
Aturkimi outlet opposite LDRB DIFU Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesiri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি? এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই, কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ। বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াৱহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব।
কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ।
Royal Enfield, Ishan Motors, Ward number 2 near CCI Limited, Dimapur Road, NH 39. Chandrapur, Bogasan 782480, District, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
বৰ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ গোন্ধ আহি আছে যে। জুতি লগা। আচলতে ইয়াৰ আঁৰত কি আছে?
ইয়াৰ আঁৰত আছে কাঞ্চ সৰিয়হৰ তেল, স্বাস্থ্যসন্মত, বিশুদ্ধ
আৰু সোৱাদযুক্ত।
আজিকালি যিকোনো পাৰ্টি মানে কাঞ্চ জুচ। বাইদি বেটো কমলাৰটো খাইছিলি নে আনাৰসৰটো? পাহাৰীয়া কমলা আৰু আনাৰসৰ পৰা তৈয়াৰ কৰা কাঞ্চ জুচ সম্পূৰ্ণ বিশুদ্ধ। কাঞ্চ জুচ খাওক, জীৱনৰ মজা লওক।
কাঞ্চ জুচ।
Dihinamo si putot birtalong wang thulo. Loring Tepi outpost ang kang Loring Tepi along kido Gyani Ujal Achor Premola Teron Pilapen Asupo Babu Ujal Banghini at Tumapan Hiti Rui Dokai Ketheglong Liajok Ahemasor Achikle Lapen Adon Arab Atum Manghu Pronglo Premola Teron Pinahok Lido Sutami Metang Ahem Kachewang Jiapan Ahem Achor Lapen Achikle Po Atum Chuningri Loring Tepi along kido Gyani Ujal Lapen Premola Teron Piasupo Babu Ujal Bike lapen mobile kanam jiaphan hemalong panailo. Apia po tumbabu aphan metric togdet apisi bike lapen mobile nam pipo pusi chachaklo. Bonta babu bike lapen mobile ke hangpen aning ke plane playa jok pai inkorai siar ni hempen bar plot pen pini arni anta hem chadam de dedlo. Asupo babu aphan kachiri dunji pura asar pi premola teron pia bangta dipurong sopi birla long kedo achikle po babu teron ahem pai inkorai hini arni hempen barlo. Bonta hiti rui dokai ta achikle po ahem alongan nang chilele detlo. Premola teron pilapen asupo babu ujalapan teglong abangaling ta 9577840196 a mobile along nanglo ikdame pusi Premola teron pia chikle po babu teron ratapan chuningri. HDP Sports Association at Tumpen Chapatir Piponsi HDP Patua Clam along Pai Pai Nipai Ingora Sirkep Arni Kang Sampor Pai Plia Porma Lompen First Interclub Prize Money Football Championship Angdung Kiti Padupon
Labangso ke Patua long Tiran Crate Rogatum Chipati dun ke Patua long Alwisar po Manpen Kachetong dun Borjan MEC long Kitimung HES Maipo Philip Tiran Bogojan Town Committee Chairman Barim Mohon Rongpi Ratsai Klemang Down Sing Timung Kamal Sing B HSE Chunbang Kaman Tisu Kasa Chunbang Horening Ti HES Dunmaipo Harsing Tisu SGB GB Penching Lok Kithe Geding Atum Chetong Dun Ang Dung Kiti Kebatu Along Risonimso Chingtur FC Desoi Kro HDP Pen Jogam FC Saijeng Angbongsi Chepati Ponlo Risonimso Chingtur FC Aterang Atum 5-1 goal pen Jogam FC Ateran Atumapan Parem Ponlo Bangso ke Patu along Kithek Muchana Nong Ek Kilong Pon Achokro Goalkeeper ke Ong Nai Deori Kro Keeper Kimi Abangpu Mongol Kro Kehaya nong itangka Surik Kep Lapen Trophy MEC Longki Timung Pensi Pajer Pon Lapen Aduntua nong itangka Suripo Lapen Trophy Kasa Chunbang Horen Ingti Pensi Pi Pajer Pon Lupusi Birta Longdon
Pinia Birta Bang Kalapuan si Kangtuan Iglo Langing Bom Takat News Channel Domi Thakme Kurwang 2